Hello students, we are going to start with advanced architecture unit 3 and our topic is direct interconnection networks. But first my appeal is there to prevent COVID-19, stay home and stay safe. Now we first start with what exactly the interconnection network is. Since we are using the multiple processors and multiple memory, therefore communication channel is required, and this communication channel is called interconnection network. While studying the international network, we take care about first is topology, second is the switching techniques, and third one is yours is the routing protocols. See, topology is how the various components of network are connected to each other. In this, we study about the network size of the network or the network size. Usually, we will represent it with by capital N and not degree, which will be represented by the small d. Now, the capital N, that is the network size, is the number of nodes in the network. Whereas not degree is the number of input and output sorry, the number of input and output node links of a node. Next one, the third parameter which is associated with is a network diameter. It is represented as capital D. So capital D is the number of connecting arcs along the longest path of the S. Paths between all pairs of the node in the network. And the next one is yours is the bisection width. It is the minimum number of links that can be removed. It is represented by capital P and is minimum number of links that need to be removed to break the network in two equal parts. Next parameter here is the arc connectivity. It is represented as a capital A. That is the minimum number of arcs that need to be removed from the network to cut into two disconnected networks. Now we shall start with the internet connection topologies. I would like to help it with the help of a diagram. The first one is yours, the one dimensional. The second one is yours is the Next one yours is three-dimensional. And the last one yours is the hypercubes. The one-dimensional is the one type that is yours is the linear array. The two-dimensionals have the four different categories. First is a ring topology. Second one is yours is the star topology. Third one is yours is the tree topology. And fourth one is the mesh, 2D, two-dimensional meshes, because meshes are also three-dimensional. In three dimensionals, there are cubes. Third cube. Next one is the 3D cube connected cycles. It's a completely connected. And the hypercubes. at 2D. Hypercubes are 3Ds, which we generally study, and the last one they are n-Ds. Any type of the dimension, any number of the dimensions can be there within the hypercubes. Now we'll study start from the linear array. It's the simplest way. I would like to create it into the text box so that you can get a better writing. To connect the nodes, it is just like as a simple bus network. It is low cost and require only delete 2. However, the major disadvantage is its diameter. Sorry, diameter it is equal to n minus 1 and poor bandwidth and connectivity both have low value, that is b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 1 respectively. And the next one, topology. That is just a ring topology. Before going to make the ring topology, I just want to make a diagram of it, which is, I told you earlier also that it's very similar to the bus network. Therefore, one after the another, they are connected to each other. Is one line, then one circle, then one line, another circle. To remove it, just not here, why you thought that that is a low cost require only degree 2, because if you see here, if one node is connected with maximum of the two nodes, or it is having only the two number of the in and out degree, the sum of the in and out degree is 2 only. But diameter is always considered as n minus 1, that is the maximum length from the one node to the light node. For the bandwidth of connectivity, that is okay, it has been removed. I'm just going to write it again. That is b is equal to 1 and a is equal to 1. Because once you what exactly to, if you want to divide this particular network into two different parts, you just need to remove only one node. That is a major disadvantage of this particular network. Otherwise, it's very simple and communicate from the one channel to the another. Then the second one is yours is the ring topology. Ring topology, you can say it is an extension of the linear array only. Or you can see it is a simple wraparound. Connection between the processors at the ends of a linear array. Here the diameter will be n by 2, bandwidth will be equal to 2, okay, and also yes, the area will be equal to connectivity. How? Just see here. Here it is one circle, second, third, and fourth. Just going to connect these. Now, see here, if in the linear array we connect these two inputs and the output links, it will become equal to the ring topology. What we have to do exactly, and what is the difference between the ring topology and the linear array, that here the diameter will be n by 2. How? See here, if we want to reach the farthest location from here, it is 1, 2. If we go for the third node, it is traceable from here with the one node only. Hence, the maximum distance in this particular network is the 2. That is half of the total number of the nodes. And bandwidth is equal to 2 and A is equal to 2. See here, once you disconnect this particular arc or the line or the connection, whatever the word you want to say, it will not be disconnected into the two different networks. We have to disconnect it from the at least 2 points. That's why its BA factors are equal to 2. The next one yours is the star topology. Star is also a low cost topology with cost is equal to n minus 1. Similarly, have a 4 bandwidth is equal to 1 and poor connectivity is also equal to 1. However, the diameter once again here is equal to 2. See here from the diagram would like to try to understand this star topology. One of the most common topology or the start we study into the computer networks also. So one node connected with rest of all directly. The maximum path length is 2 to reach from one node to another, and only disconnection of the one arc only or the one connection only can divide this particular network into the two different parts. And next is used is the tree topology. Usually, when we use tree topology, we talk about binary tree. It is a good topology and reduces the network diameter significantly as the diameter is equal to 2 log n plus 1 by 2. And sorry, degree is constant 3. That constant degree 3 will be explained. I will explain that with the help of the diagram to you. No. However, once again, the bandwidth and connectivity both are one. Again, it is also somewhat of a poor parameter attached with it. See here. We are specifically taking the example of a binary tree only. See here, the total number of the nodes here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 nodes are there. Just put here into 2 log n plus 1 by 2, and you see here the maximum length here it is the 4. Log n plus 1 log 16. Log you calculate the log 16 by 2, then the value will come definitely is equal to approximate 4. And wonderful thing, what about it? It is a constant 3 except the first node and the pendant node. First node, that is your this one, and the last one node, the terminal node, so the outlinks. Here, see here, this particular node, all the internal nodes, if you say, this particular node is first degree is here, second here, third here. Here it is the degree is 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. 1, 2, 3. That's why I say that the degree is constant, that is equal to 3. If even it has only one internal layer, it will go for the third degree only. In the next lecture, uh, I will talk about the three-dimensional and the hypercubes. Thank you very much. Once again, my appeal is there. Stay home, stay safe, because social distancing is the only way to prevent yourself, your family, your society, your friends from the epidemic corona disease. Thank you very much. Thank you.